I'm Nithin Eapen. I'm the Chief Investment Officer for Arcadia Crypto-Ventures. I'm at the Beyond Block Summit in Tokyo, Japan, April 4th and 5th, 2018.
Thank you very much for taking the time out to speak with us. How do you like the conference so far?
Awesome. It is truly awesome. It's my first time in Tokyo and love the audience out here. Everybody's so energetic and very well organized summit, which is very good. A beautiful place.
Thank you. Thank you for the kind comments. What's your favorite part so far?
There were some really good talks yesterday and the chance to meet a lot of the local investors in Tokyo, the local projects and people from Asia side, because I'm based in New York. So the chance when I'm here, I get to see a different kind of audience, which is very good.
In a beautiful city.
It's in a beautiful city. It gives a better perspective because my bias is always going to be in New York, and unless I travel over here, I won't get this. You see?
I see. Okay. So can you tell us a little bit, like a 30,000-foot view about Arcadia Crypto Ventures?
Sure.
What it's all about.
So Arcadia, we are primarily, we are a fund. We are a private fund. We don't take any outside money and we invest in cryptos. We believe in the decentralization of the world. We believe in the tokenization of transactions and projects. And because of that, we invest in founders and projects that help the world or mankind to get there. Okay? We believe in this whole decentralization revolution. We believe that people have to be freer from any kind of government control, and this is going to make us get there.
I see. By what you said, your beliefs are really strong. I checked you guys out, and you have many investments. You're backing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero, Dash, Zcash, Neo, just to name a few.
Yep.
Would you say one of these that you're backing is the dark horse, or would you say which one is the dark horse? Which one will be the one that you think will be the leading cryptocurrency?
See, we don't take a view like that, okay? We do not take any view on one coin. We do not make a bet because, see, the reality is none of us have a crystal ball. If we had one, we could see the future, but we don't. And because of that, we are invested in we try to be in every good project out there, okay? We just want to be invested in the project because we don't know who's the winner, and whoever is the winner, we're going to keep increasing our positions on them. We try to stay kind of like an indexed fund. We are indexed, and so we just believe in the market. We believe in the whole crypto market. We're not trying to search for the winner. When the winner emerges, we're going to be with them.
Okay. So that sounds like a good approach.
Yeah, it's easier that way. You see, we don't have to worry about cherry picking the winners and pulling our hairs to find one. No, it's much easier.
Maybe I should invest in your fund.
We don't take outside money though.
Oh, okay.
It's just we don't. We can always help people tell what we invest in, and you can just go and buy that if you like. But since we don't raise money and we don't take outside money. It gives us a lot more freedom to do what we want rather than be involved in compliance and regulatory kind of issues. If we see a great project, we want to invest, and we don't want to be stuck by the investors telling us the market has gone down, sell your positions. No. We believe in it. We are hodlers. We are hardcore believers, and we just hold it. We don't want to sell it.
Thank you for that. And Nithin, I know that from the research that I've done, I know that you love poker. You've been playing poker at the World Series for a while. In 2016, something really interesting happened. You had to walk away from the table because of a heart attack. I'm glad to see that you're in good health right now. And have you been able to go back to poker after that?
Yes, I still play every year. Okay. I play at the WSOP every year, which is I love playing poker. Okay. I'm a very passionate guy. I'm passionate about poker. I'm passionate about cryptos. I'm passionate about sport.
And you're a real winner.
Hope so.
And my last question for you. So 2017 was a big year for cryptocurrencies.
Yes.
And I would say blockchain as well. 2018, a different, but also will be a big year, most people think. What are your views about 2018, the direction the market might take, just generally?
Sure. Direction-wise, I don't know. I think the market is, I personally feel the whole market is expanding because there's more and more projects coming in. Now, individual prices, we try not to get bothered about individual prices, but I think a lot of security tokens are going to come in. That's going to be the next thing. A lot of different regulations are going to come in. Different countries are going to come up with some regulation or the other. So the space is going to evolve. People are going to get smarter how they're going to invest, and a lot of projects have been raising unnecessary money. Some projects are raising way more money than required. that I think, hopefully investors are going to get smarter and not send them that much money that's not required. I've seen some projects raise 200, $300 million, and I kind of can't figure out why they're raising that money for, because even if they're building a protocol, like Ethereum is built on between 9 and $18 million. I don't know which other protocol requires way more money than that, okay? That piece I don't get. So if a protocol is raising $100 million or $200 million and people are sending them money, I'm like, my whole thing is you got to question yourself on that.
So you did not invest in the Telegram?
No, Telegram, no, I don't get it. I just didn't get it because, one, I don't understand what the token is going to be used for. I use the Telegram app, and if they're going to tell me now onwards to make a chat, if I've got to spend money, I'm on WhatsApp, I'm on Viber, I'll use one of those apps, and I can go back to Slack, or I just don't know, I don't get it. It's fine. Maybe somebody sees the world different than me. This is my view, and I could be wrong. Telegram could be a great success, and it is a success. It's great that so much capital has flowed in. I'm very happy that the Telegram ICO has raised $1.7 billion. Whether it goes to zero or whether it becomes 10 billion, I'm very happy that so much capital that was stuck somewhere else has come into this space. And more people have learned about ICOs just because of Telegram. I'm very happy for that.
Time will only tell.
Time will only tell. That I'm not really worried. I'm very happy that it happened, though. I did not invest, though.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Great talking to you.
Great talking to you, too, man.